In this video we are going to talk about 5 reasons why eating healthy is crucial to glowy skin. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Everyone has a favorite face lotion or treatment, but healthy skin begins from the inside out. Older cells are regularly shed and replaced by newer ones, thus a steady supply of critical nutrients is required to keep this rapid growth going. If you eat the right meals, you'll give your skin the nutrients it needs to be soft, supple, and free of blemishes. Regardless of how hard we try to avoid it, our skin does age over time. Overexposure to the sun and tanning beds, strong soaps, chemicals, and poor nutrition can all hasten the appearance of wrinkles and age spots on the skin. With this in mind, it's essential to take a holistic approach. Eat antioxidant-rich fruits and vegetables, healthy fats from oily fish and nuts, and a varied and balanced diet to care for your skin and optimize your nutrition. This should provide ideal quantities of nutrients including beta-carotene, vitamins C and E, zinc, and selenium, which are all important for glowing skin. Here are 5 reasons why eating healthy is essential for skin. Number 5. Skin cell formation. Fruits and vegetables are high in antioxidants, which assist to prevent skin from free radical cellular damage. Wrinkling and age spots can be caused by free radicals, smoking, pollution, and sunshine. Consume a rainbow of colorful fruits and vegetables on a daily basis, aiming for at least 5 pieces. Beta-carotene, which can be found in carrots, sweet potatoes, and pumpkin, and lutein, which can be found in kale, papaya, and spinach, are powerful antioxidants that are essential for skin cell formation and tone. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant as well. It is required to maintain the immune system, create glowing skin, and aid in the healing of blemishes. Blackcurrants, blueberries, broccoli, guava, kiwi fruits, oranges, papaya, strawberries, and sweet potatoes are the finest sources. Vitamin C is required for the formation of collagen, which helps to strengthen the capillaries that supply the skin. Number 4. To keep your skin moisturized and hydrated. Essential fatty acids are found in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which can be found in avocados, oily fish, nuts, and seeds. They function as a natural moisturizer for your skin, keeping it smooth and enhancing suppleness. These fats also include a healthy dosage of vitamin E, which can help protect against free radical damage. Moisture is required for skin to remain flexible. Your skin will appear dry, weary, and slightly gray if you are dehydrated even slightly. Drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. All fluids count, but water is the best. Keep a large bottle of water on your desk if you work in an office to remind you to drink. Teas that are caffeine-free and herbal are also helpful. Remember that some fruits and vegetables, such as watermelon, courgette, and cucumber, provide fluids as well, and the minerals they contain can help you hydrate your body and skin faster. Avoid smoking and heavy alcohol intake, as both can cause premature aging of the skin. Number 3. To prevent damage of skin cells. Vitamin E protects the skin from oxidative cell damage and promotes the formation of healthy skin. Almonds, avocado, hazelnuts, pine nuts, and sunflower and corn oils are all high in vitamin E. Vitamin E is an essential fat-soluble substance that has anti-inflammatory properties. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble antioxidant that supports the immune system, cell function, and skin health. It's an antioxidant, which means it can help fight the effects of free radicals produced by food metabolism and environmental pollutants. Vitamin E may help to protect skin from UV damage. It may also help with atopic dermatitis and fatty liver disease symptoms, as well as decreasing the progression of mild to moderate Alzheimer's disease. Vitamin E can even help to expand blood arteries and prevent blood clots. Vitamin E levels in the skin are reduced by UV light and sun exposure. Vitamin E levels drop as people get older. Vitamin E, on the other hand, can be found in a variety of meals, as a supplement, and as an ingredient in topical applications. Number 2. To support immune system. Selenium is an extremely potent antioxidant. It supports the immune system by working in conjunction with other antioxidants such as vitamins E and C. Brazil nuts are one method to increase your consumption. The recommended daily intake is provided by just 4 nuts, RDA. As a snack or salad garnish, combine Brazil nuts with other vitamin E-rich seeds. Fish, shellfish, eggs, wheat germ, tomatoes, and broccoli are also good sources. Selenium prevents wrinkles by neutralizing free radicals and other skin-damaging chemicals. It's related to vitamin E and collaborates with it to protect cell membranes, the protective layer that surrounds cells. According to research, eating a selenium-rich diet can help prevent skin cancer, UV damage, and age spots. As a result, selenium is an important actor in delaying the indications of aging. Number 1. To prevent from eczema. Make sure you're getting enough omega-3 and omega-6 fats in your diet. These are essential fatty acids, which means they can't be produced by the body and must be taken from food. Omega-3s can be found in fatty fish as well as plant sources like linseed and its oil, chia seeds, walnuts, and rapeseed oil. Omega-3 fats stimulate the production of anti-inflammatory chemicals in the body, which may aid in the treatment of inflammatory skin disorders including eczema and psoriasis. There you have it. If you're more curious about healthy skin, please be sure to check the link in the description down below. And make sure to like this video and subscribe for daily content. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video.